My name is Rayan. For a long time, I believed confidence had to be loud. I thought confident people always spoke loudly. They always showed their achievements. They always looked bold and fearless. But I was different. I was quiet. I did not talk too much. I preferred listening. I liked observing. Because of this, I thought I was not confident. Whenever I saw someone speaking loudly, I compared myself with them. I thought, they are confident. I am not. This belief stayed with me for a long time. One day, our teacher asked us to work in groups. We were given a task to prepare a small presentation. In my group, one student talked a lot. He gave many ideas quickly. Everyone listened to him. I stayed quiet. I listened carefully. After some time, I shared one idea. It was simple, but it solved a problem in our presentation. My group members liked it. They said, "That's a great idea." I felt surprised. I realized something. Confidence does not always need to be loud. Sometimes confidence is calm. After that day, I started noticing more things. Some people talk loudly but lack preparation. Some people spoke less but had strong ideas. I understood something important. Confidence is not about volume. It is about clarity. From that day, I changed my mindset. I stopped trying to act loudly. Instead, I focused on improving myself quietly. I practiced English daily. I read books. I listened carefully in conversations. Slowly, my confidence grew. I spoke when I had something meaningful to say. I did not rush to talk, and surprisingly, people started listening more because calm confidence feels strong. It does not need attention. It earns respect naturally. Now I understand something clearly. You do not need to be loud to be confident. You can be calm, quiet, and still strong. Final thought. Confidence does not always speak loudly. Sometimes it speaks calmly, but with strength. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep building quiet confidence. And always remember, quiet confidence is powerful.